Hi, fifth grade. It's Miss Phillips. Today is Tuesday, and we're going to be doing some work together. I'm going to do the first problem with you, and then you will complete the second one on your own on Google Classroom. So our problem today says, let me see if I can, you guys are kind of quick there. Our problem today says, our directions say, read each problem and color in the number sentence that represents the problem. So we have, next to letter A, we have our problem here. We're going to read it and then try to decide what number sentence goes with it. It says, Henry has 2,045 Legos. He mixed in his friend's Legos and had 2,478. How many of the Legos were his friends? So we're trying to decide which one of these choices would be the correct number sentence to go with the word problem. Okay, what are some things that we already know? Well, I know that Henry has 2,045 Legos, and I also know that he mixed in his friend's Legos. So if he had 2,045 and then he mixed in his friend's Legos, that sounds to me like he's putting more Legos with the amount of Legos that he had at the beginning. So I think I can probably decide that I don't want to subtract in this number sentence, and I also probably don't want to divide in this number sentence because both of those choices would make my number smaller. My two other choices I have here, this one, they added the two numbers together to get X, which stands for how many Legos his friend gave him. And then this one is putting the X in the middle and telling us that we have a total of 2,478. Well, if I look back up at the problem, it said after he mixed in his friend's Legos, he had 2,478. So if I know he added Legos in some way to his original number, then I know that at the end, he would have had 2,478 Legos. So this one makes the most sense. X is standing for how many Legos that he added in that belonged to his friend. So here's our number we started with, 2,045. Here's the number we're trying to figure out, how many Legos were his friends. And then how many did he have at the end was 2,478. So you're going to read letter B and pick out the number sentence for that one, just like we did for the top one. Now, once I know this number sentence, I need to solve it because it says solution, and then it's going to leave a blank there for you to type in an answer. So if I know that he started with 2,045, and we're trying to find this X here in the middle, and he's going to end with 2,478, what could I do to these two numbers to find that number in the middle? I'm going to have to do my work here kind of small because I don't have a whole lot of room. You know what? I think I'm going to do it on the back side of my paper so you guys can see it a little better. So let's see. I have 2,478 and then minus 2,045. So now I just kind of have a simple subtraction problem, and I just have to go through and subtract each one of my place values. I'm going to subtract my ones place. 8 minus 5 is 3. 7 minus 4 is also 3. Or no, I'm sorry. 4 minus 0 is 4. And then 2 minus 2 is nothing, so I don't even need that comma there. So my solution would be 433 Legos. Now remember, on your own, you're reading that word problem next to letter B, choosing the number sentence that represents it, and then you're solving whichever number sentence that you choose.